MLA ka BJP Upadai Chairman ka Central Scheme Managing Committee Uba AL Hek rengkat kiwei pat kinongkit kam menta ka khakndai tarik ujemang ar puar kila jurip ya ka jakai yang kali Interstate Bus Terminal Mawiong rim. Kani kejing jurip jongki kalong hadin balami Khubor bakate ke jakai yang kali kala jau na kejing ther ulap ba dang shen. Habakren cikila pathai Khubor hadin balai kendu bad Managing Director Usal Seng A Sangma Uba hek ulaong baka komiti ka bakmi ya baro ki scheme ki bawan na ka Sorkar Pdeng kan lum kan lang ya ki report bat ansapha ikot ki slash ka Sorkar Pdeng halor ka jingpao ba Torti ya ka jingtre ya ka te ka jaka yang kali ka komiti kala rai bakan sa shim ya ka senjam ban tokit bhai contractor bat ya ka North Eastern Council NEC ka babay pisa na ka banta ban Pyntip ya ka te ka project ulaong ruba na kalyang ka komiti kan nang yai buddian nang ni syakhamat ya kiwei par ki scheme ki badai na ka Sorkar Pdeng.
That's why we have come personally, physically, we have come here to see about the substandard work been taken up in this building, in this Isbt sector. The safety of our people is a concern. So we are going to take up this one and we are going to sit in our meeting and also report to the central government and also to the NEC who are the funding authority for this center. The ODIs, the Deputy General Manager have been shown us there's so many leakages. The crack is happening, taking place here in this building. And we have told them also, we have given some suggestion. He said that a very irregular park services been given to this building. Then I told them also, you have to set up the generator, at least the service has to be regular. Tomorrow I told them you have to set up the prepaid taxi for the convenience of the passengers, of people, tourists and others who are coming from the state and outside the state.